Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Laravel apps using storage and database dumps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup a Laravel application, start by preparing your environment. Ensure you have access to your Laravel project directory. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your Laravel application folder using the cd command. To backup storage files, locate the storage directory within your project. You can use the zip command to create a compressed archive of the storage folder. Run zip or storage_backup.zip storage to create the backup file. This command will generate a file named storage_backup.zip in your project root. Next, focus on backing up your database. Identify the database connection settings in the .env file. Look for the variables db_host, db_database, db_username, and db_password. Ensure you have the correct credentials to access your database. Access your database management tool or use the command line. If you are using MySQL, execute the following command: miscldump db_username p db_database_backup. Replace db_username and db_database with your actual credentials. Provide your password when prompted to complete the database export. You will now see a database_backup.sql file in your project root. At this point, you have backups for both the storage files and the database. To secure these backups, consider moving them to a dedicated backup directory. Create a directory named Backups in your project folder. Move both storage_backup.zip and database_backup.sql to this directory using the command mv storage_backup.zip backup/n and mv database_backup.sql backup/. Finally, verify that your backups are complete and accessible. You have successfully backed up your Laravel application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.